Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pandora jewelry haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Right now, I'm just going to show you guys a quick glimpse of what's inside of the bag, and later on in the video, I will go in detail about each of the charms that I got. So the achievement trophy charm, it dangles. It's engraved with the words, "Well done." This is a great gift for a special occasion. This is the devoted heart dangle charm with pink enamel. This is a perfect charm for a gift. It's sterling silver. I like the detail of this charm. The heart shape with the rhinestone in the middle, so cute. The Rose Essence Karen charm can only fit the Pandora Essence bracelet or bangles. This is perfect for a gift. The Radiant Droplet Clear, it's sparkling clear that adds a noticeable detail on your bracelet. It's sterling silver. This is one of my favorite charms. I love the sparkling effect that it adds to my bracelet. The Pandora Essence Dedication Charm, it's very sparkly, great addition to my collection. The Shimmering Gift design is a round gift box featuring sparkling red accent, and there's a small bowl in the middle of the charm, so pretty. The Essence Pandora bracelet, it's sterling silver with 18 rose gold plated, and you could add charms to create a lovely design bracelet. So the Pandora Essence Dedication, that is a really good one to have on the Essence Pandora bracelet. The Heart of Winter sterling silver necklace, that's designed with a beautiful pendant, and the pendant is a snowflake design. I really like this pendant. This is a two-stone design open ring that's designed in sterling silver. Swirling droplet curve ring is perfect for a minimalist style. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. These are all of the new items that I purchased from Pandora's sale. Most of the items were up to 40% off. My favorite item that I purchased would definitely have to be the Essence Dedication charm. It's so pretty. I like the sparkling effect that it adds to my bracelet, as I stated before. So leave a comment below and let me know which one of the charm was your favorite.